huge asteroid capable of continental-scale devastation is on track to zoom past our Earth. According to the Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, as of September 2019, there are over 20,600 near-Earth objects, of which roughly 922 near-Earth asteroids have been listed on the risk table, with about a 95% far too small to qualify as potentially hazardous objects. The giant asteroid, measuring up to 2,034 feet across, is speeding past Earth today, 20th of November, and is packing a speed of about 17,800 miles an hour. The space rock is dubbed 2006 SF6, on schedule to make its close approach 7:01 p.m. EDT, with around 2.7 million miles of our planet, or about 11 times Earth-Moon distance, according to NASA's Center for Near-Earth Objects, CNEOs. It's zooming. The first space rock first discovered 17th of September 2006 by Catalina Sky Survey. This is imagined by the scientists at the Stewart Observatory near Tucson, Arizona, and was designed to look for asteroids and comets. This space rock last close approach to Earth took place February this year, while it will next zoom past us November 2020, next year at this time. Paul Chodas, who's the manager of CNEOs at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, was quick to forego any fears regarding likelihood of cosmic visitors impacting our planet. He says regarding the future, over the next 200 years, this asteroid will not approach closer than it will this month. This is what Chodas was quoted as saying by Newsweek. Asteroid 2006 SF6, considered to be a near-Earth object, as its path around the Sun takes it within 121 million miles of the star and 30 million miles of our planet's orbit, and has no chance of striking us in the next 2 centuries or so. A near-Earth asteroid is considered potentially hazardous if its orbit approaches our Earth's orbit, or within approximately 4.6 million miles, that's 19 lunar distances, and if its size is greater than roughly 140 meters. This is what Chodas explained. So if an asteroid the size of this one coming in at us, 2006 SF6, were ever to impact the Earth, hypothetically, the result would be continental-scale devastation. This is what he claims, but it would stop short of reaching a global catastrophic or mass extinction level. Observations determined about roughly 25,000 near-Earth objects larger than 460 feet in diameter, Chodas noting that about 35% of the total figure are currently known to scientists. 35% are known, and what we updated yesterday, one of our videos stated that of these 20,000 some odd asteroids, they don't know where a lot of them are. They've lost track of them. They don't know where they're heading, and they could be due to the Yarkovsky effect, the sun's radiation on the surface of these objects causing them to tilt and sway on their axis, tumble on their axis, and they could be going off their trajectories. So there's a lot of them that they spotted, but they don't know where all of them are at any point in time. So they know 35%, they think. They're finding new ones all the time, of course. NASA keeps a watchful eye on these fast space rocks, evaluating their potential for impact, relying on observations provided by the Center for Near-Earth Studies. And of course, there are also, thank goodness, amateur astronauts who find these objects as well. For example, the one in August, the interstellar comet, was found by Gennady Borisov, an amateur astronomer who even built his own telescope and found this. Now, CNEOs computes high precision orbits for near-Earth objects in support of NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office using Sentry, which is a highly automated impact prediction system, and Sentry monitors the most current asteroid catalog for possibilities of future impact with Earth over the next 100 plus years. And whenever a potential impact is detected, It will be analyzed and the results immediately published by the Near Earth Objects Program. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.